Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact Microsoft account you use for Minecraft and that the password and recovery info are correct. Make sure your Xbox profile is linked to that same Microsoft account. Mismatched accounts block sign-in. Once done, update Windows and Minecraft to the latest patch and reboot the device to clear temporary authentication caches. Also check your system clock and time zone. Significant drift can cause token failures, so sync time automatically before proceeding to sign in again. Now focus on authentication and network execution. You remove saved Microsoft or Xbox credentials from the Credential Manager and sign out of all Xbox/Microsoft sessions across devices. Then clear DNS with ipconfig/flushtons and reset the network adapter to remove stale routes. Once done, test sign-in on a different network or hotspot to isolate ISP issues. Temporarily disable VPN or overly aggressive antivirus and firewall rules. Finally, open the official Minecraft launcher and follow the Microsoft sign-in flow exactly, granting requested permissions. You must accept them for token exchange. If sign-in still fails, use account recovery to reset credentials or verify identity. Make sure two-step settings are correct. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall the launcher, delete the launcher profile folder, and recreate the local profile to remove corrupt config. If problems persist, contact Microsoft support with exact error codes and the troubleshooting steps you already tried.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.